Good morning, everyone. It is now September 3rd, just Friday, and beautiful day today, no rain, which is really nice. And I'm going down to the lake to see if I can fly my drone and maybe get some kayaking. I see a kayaker out there right now, so the wind's not too strong, and it's nice. It's warming up. It was cold this morning. It was only 12 degrees this morning when I first got up. So let's see if we can get this drone up in the air. Okay, so plan B. I was just on the lake shore, and there's a bit of a breeze, and it doesn't take much to carry the drone away. And even if I do get it up in the sky, you're continuously fighting the wind to try and keep it steady. So I think I might wait till later, maybe this evening. The sun will die down and the wind will die down, I should say, and I'll be able to get the drone up there. So I'm going to go back to the trailer now and maybe take the kayak and go for a paddle. All right, not so much for that. Okay, so plan C. I'm just looking outside right now, and the wind is picking up more and more. By the time I get the kayak off the roof of the truck down to the lake, all my gear set up and stuff, it's not going to be an enjoyable paddle. So I'm going to wait until this evening as well, and hopefully the wind will die down and be able to get on the water. And if not, then we'll have to maybe try again tomorrow. Okay, so plan C is going to be Gand Falls. I'm going to take you guys to a town called Gand Falls. Beautiful area. There's a beautiful gorge there and stuff, and you can actually climb down at the bottom of the gorge. So I'm hoping to get some cool shots, and I'm going to bring the drone with me, and hopefully I can get the drone in the gorge as well and take some aerial photos of the gorge. All right, so just sit back and enjoy the ride. We're heading down towards Edmundston right now. I don't know if you can see the St.John rivers on my right, and the mountains you see in the distance on the right hand side, that's the U.S. state of Maine in the U.S. So we're just getting into Edmundston, Brunswick. A lot of people that go down to the Maritimes from Ontario and Quebec usually stop over in Edmundston. It's a popular spot for people to stop at. So we're back on the Trans-Canada Highway now, and I don't know if you guys can see there's fencing on the right hand side here. There's gates there for a moose. This is pretty much moose country. So I'm right at home here, and they had to put up these fences all along the Trans-Canada Highway because moose were crossing the highway and getting hit by cars. So and the gates are like one-way gates, so if a moose did get across to this side of the fence, if they followed along the fence line, they would get caught in these one-way gates, and then they would get back on the other side of the fencing. you guys have all heard of the McCain company, French fries. This is where they're from. And who can't forget the deep and delicious cakes. Just coming up to the falls lookout right now. Here we are at Gand Falls, New Brunswick. So Gand Falls is part of the St.John River, which you saw earlier in my videos, and it flows all the way down to the ocean, to the Bay of Fundy. So lots of flowing. They've had a lot of rain recently, so there's lots of water flowing down. They've also got a zip line here if you're ever interested in zip lining across. You can see when the river flows even stronger than this, the groove, the water comes out there as well. And here too, you see the logs. That's from water overflowing all these rocks over here. All right, let's go down into the gorge. We're at the Gorge lookout here. A little disappointed. It was hard to, I know where it is, but it was very poorly marked. There's no signs or anything indicating where how to get here. So it's probably a lot of people who've never even been here or known that this exists. So this is the building here, for those of you who've never been here. And just go through. There's a small fee to pay, and then you can go down and right down to the bottom of the gorge. Okay, so I just paid the fee, and that was $5 to go down. These are the steps I have to go down. And there's another campground that I stayed at before, just to my right, down that way at the bottom, and they have stairs as well, and it's free to go down to the gorge. So here's one lookout here. We're gonna go down even further. It's beautiful, eh? All right, let's go down. There's more steps to go down. Let's go check those out. And we're going all the way down there. There you go. We're at the bottom of the gorge. You can see at the bottom there, I know if you guys can see that, right in there, there's a stairway. In the spring, this is a torrent river, like it just flows like crazy. And I actually grabbed the metal stairs and carried it away. Look what I brought. Let's see if we can get this thing up in the air. So that didn't work. As soon as I tried to take off with the drone, the wind caught it, because there's a strong wind going through the gorge here, and made it crash into the rocks. So it's okay. I think I just need to replace the propellers on it, but the drone is fine. So that was a failed attempt. So I guess we'll head back to the campground now and figure something else out. So I'm at the Falls and Gorge campground in Gand Falls. If you guys ever want to camp here, this is an excellent spot. I've camped here once before, and very friendly service and good accommodation. So they have stairs as well, as you can see. So we're going to go down and check out the angle of the falls of the gorge from this end. So this area here is called Falls Brook. So just opposite the hanging falls that you see out in the distance there is called Hanging Falls, and it's about 10 meters in height. Before the dam was built, they used to have log runs down the St.John River here. So this area here in front is called the coffee mill, where the logs would get chewed up coming out of the gorge and then be pushed down the river. On the right here is called Driver's Rest. So that's where the log drivers would climb out and rest on the rocks during the log runs. Pretty cool. You see the hole in the rock there in the pool. It looks like there's a deeper hole within that bigger one. Okay, I'm just walking down the trail. I walked down some more steps, and there's this trail that I'm on right now that I'm going to go check out. It goes up and down. It's quite a bit of a walk. I wouldn't come down this way if you're not in a bit of a shape anyways. And I'm going back uphill again now. Eventually I should be able to get down further. There's another lookout apparently up this way where you can see what they call the camel's back. Oh great, I'm going back up again. Yep, there it is there. So this is what they call the camel's back, this rock here that's in the middle, and that's pretty much the end of the falls from here. And this is the last of the rest is all pretty smooth sailing, as they say. So there is a you saw the hydroelectric dam that when we first stopped there at the falls themselves. Well, just before the dam they have a tunnel, huge tunnel that goes right under the city itself, where they get their power from, and they sell their power to some of it to the States, I believe, and they also get it from Quebec, buy their power from Quebec. So I don't know how that works anyways, but yeah, so the huge electric dam there that runs or powers the city. So we're gonna head back and go see if there's something else to look at, somewhere else to explore. Here's another spot that I found just under the bridge that we went over earlier. Pretty cool. I think I'll get a better view of the falls on this side here. There's a zip liner is going across here. There's a nice view from here. I won't attempt to fly my drone here because I can really feel the wind gusting all over the place. Here comes two more people. So here's a picture of the map for the zip lining. So you start off over here where you saw them go across this way, and then they just walk up the path, and then they cross back over to the other side, back to the starting line. That's pretty cool. And there they go, over the rainbow. Okay, I'm going to try this again here from a safer spot where there's no rocks and there's just grass, and hopefully not a lot of wind. So let's see how this goes. success. And propellers obviously weren't damaged that bad, because I'd never changed them. I just used the original ones from when I hit those rocks the first time. So, and no, just to answer your question, I haven't consumed any alcoholic beverages before this flight, even though I was all over the place. I think it's because of the turbulence. That's what I'm going to blame it on anyways. The turbulence of the wind in the gorge and stuff. So yeah, so all in all, it was a successful flight. I did not lose my drone down the bottom of the gorge, which is a good thing. And now I'm just going to head back to the truck and start making my way back. And we're done. So that was it for Gand Falls and the gorge. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's a pretty cool area. Not a lot of people know about it. People just drive right by and they don't stop. So I'm hoping that this video will change your mind, and maybe next time you're coming through Gand Falls, New Brunswick, you take the time to stop and check out the gorge. Okay, back at the trailer now. It's getting a bit dark. I figured you can't go camping without a campfire. So I made myself a campfire. It's pretty sad, but all they have is this little kindling stuff to get it going. So, but it's better than nothing. I can't complain. I got my fire. I got my Tim Hortons coffee, and I'm nice and toasty. So. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we will see you tomorrow. Have a good night.